Hey everyone, welcome. It's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen, independent couturier with Chalk Couture. As you come in, please make sure you say hello, and in the bottom left corner of your mobile devices is a share button. If you are catching me live, you will see the little red box up in the upper left-hand corner that says live. And if you are catching me on YouTube, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. There is a share button. I think that's in the right-hand side. Share my video. So you guys, welcome, welcome. This is a redo from earlier. So earlier I had done a video and I had to delete it. Hey Jess, how are you? So I want to redo it for you again today. You guys, if you are new, welcome. I want to share a little bit more about Chalk Couture with you. This is a little about our company. So we are a DIY home decor and crafting company. You won't find our products anywhere else. We do offer a line of silkscreen reusable transfers. We have our Chalkology Chalkpaste in 38 different colors, and then we do have our Couture inks as well. Hey Sandy, welcome. We do offer several surfaces like chalkboards, box wood frame. We have canvas pillowcases and totes, but you can use our products on so many other surfaces. You guys, you can do this on wood, glass, tin, dry erase boards. You can make t-shirts. Hey there, Miss Wilson, how are you? You can do pillowcases, and the list can go on and on. But the greatest thing that I can offer to you is this amazing DIY home decor business opportunity for $99. You guys, you're gonna get this amazing kit that you see right here. This kit just launched for us on April 1st, and it's super exciting. Oh, Sandy, thank you for sharing. So if you want more information on that and you'd like to join my opportunity group to learn more, please just comment opportunity below and I will make sure I add you to that group. Now you guys, real quick, I want to tell you, I do have a VIP group for my customers. So if you guys are interested in being in on giveaways, being in on specials that I'm offering, there is a link in the description of this video that will link you right to... Oh my gosh, Deidre, thank you so much. That'll link you right to my VIP group, and that's where I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways and specials. So what I'm going to be doing tonight is, and I had done something earlier, but if we get 25 shares, if you, like I said, you have to be in my VIP group to get in on this. I'm going to do a giveaway, but only in that group and only if we get 25 shares. So you guys, let's get on it. We've got one already, so I'm super excited to do this redo of my project from earlier today. Okay. So like I had said, this is a 9x12 chalkboard that I'm going to be using. This isn't one of the ones that we don't offer this at Chalk Couture. We have amazing chalkboards that we offer through the company. Unfortunately, mine are covered in beautiful designs already that I don't want to erase. So this was just one that my amazing husband makes for me. So like I had mentioned earlier, I married my husband, number one, because he was cute, and number two, because he is super handy in just about anything, and I love that about him. So, enough about him, right? Oh, you guys, thanks so much. So this was a design I had done earlier, and this is the really cool thing about Chalk Couture, you guys. So this project is done in our chalk paste, and as you can see, I am rubbing my hands all over it. It is not going to come off, okay? Now, I have not sealed this project, so all I'm going to do is just take some water, and I'm going to spray my design. I know you guys are probably like, what? But I'm spraying my design. I'm going to take these really amazing board erasers that we offer. These are available in a set of 2 at Chalk Couture. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to go over my design. And all it's doing is the water reactivates the chalk paste, you guys. And it allows me to take this design off, and then I can absolutely redo this. So the beauty of that is each and every season, you could change out. Hey, you guys, welcome back, Denise. Thank you so much. Like I said, make sure you guys request to join my VIP group. I know some of you are in there, but definitely make sure you join, and that link is right in the description of this video. But this is the beauty of it. So now I've got a brand new surface that I'm going to be able to chalk on. So how cool is that? Each and every season, you can change out your decor, you can change out your colors, and guess what? Like I had told you guys, the transfers are reusable. You guys, this was the one I used earlier today. Remember? I told you, you write on the back of your transfers so you know which side of the carrier sheet it's going to go on. You just clean this up with water, and look at that. It looks like a brand new transfer, right? And I'm going to reuse this. This is the same one from earlier. So all I'm going to do is take my finger and rub it over the edge. I'm going to flip this over and remove my carrier sheet from my transfer. Okay. Oops, almost knocked my water over there. I've got our amazing fuzzing cloth, and I'm going to just fuzz this up. I don't need to fuzz it up that much because I did do this earlier, but I'm going to fuzz this up. And these towels are great. They're great for cleaning. They have the microfiber on the other side if you need it to clean anything up. But I love our fuzzing cloths. We just came out with those this year. Now I'm going to place my transfer right on my surface. And you know what, guys? And actually, something really cool. I was watching my leader, I was watching one of her lives earlier, and this was something she did, and I thought it was a great idea. You guys, if you are a designer, I would love for you to put a 1, the number 1 in the comment section. If you are not a designer and you are new to Chalk Couture, if you're new to my lives, give me a 2. Okay, so if you're a designer, put 1. If you are new to new to Chalk Couture and this product, put a 2. I would love to see who's new and who is a designer. I just think that's a cool idea. Thank you. Wink, wink. You know who you are if you're watching. All right, so I'm just smoothing this out so there's no air bubbles. You guys, this is all silk screen where you can see through here. That's a silk screen. And that's what gives you all of the detailing. That is what gives you all of, you know, that's what makes our product special, is that silk screen. And then the other thing I want to tell you about, and the reason why we fuzz it and why I don't press on the outside of my green here, all this well, it's teal, it's not green, is because these are silk screen. It's really like a fabric. So when you're removing your transfers, you always want to peel top to bottom, left to right, never corner to corner. Okay, so let's get our chalk paste stirred up. Now I'm going to do a different color this time, one of the same. So I'm still using my fawn, but I'm also using our gorgeous new color called Peony. And if you are into the Pantone colors, Peony I think is the Pantone color of the year. So I'm just stirring this up so that my chalk paste is like a yogurt sour cream consistency, and also so that I blend all of those pigments together. Oh, awesome. Hey, Kathy. Hi, Melissa. Hey, Denise. Hi, Sandy. All right, so we've got some designers on here, and we've got some new people on here. That's awesome. All right. So I'm just stirring that up. And these are our amazing stir sticks that we came out with as well. Love those. Love that we came out with them. Now, like I showed everybody earlier, you want this to be like a yogurt sour cream consistency. So for me, I like to be able to see it to come off. You see how that's like coming off of my stick? That's what I like. Okay. So just stirring this up. So I hope everybody had a great day today. I'm super excited. I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff in my VIP group, you guys. So, like I said, as long as you are not a designer, please make sure you join that, as we're going to be doing some cool stuff in there. Okay? All right. Now, I've got my squeegees. Now, just so you guys know, we offer several different kind of squeegees. So, we have, I call this my Big Daddy. That's my Big Daddy squeegee. This is like a big 4-inch squeegee. We have our small squeegees. We have our angled squeegees. And then we have our mini squeegees. Okay, so we have all kind of squeegees for you. Oh, and this is the most important. This is our multi-purpose tool. This is the coolest tool ever. Number one, it's great to get into small areas with this side. And then the other side is this little tool where it cleans up your edges of your chalk paste. So, always recommend getting one of those if you're buying chalk paste. Sorry, there's just a piece of chalk paste on there that was dried, so I'm just getting that off. All right, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of my chalk paste and I'm just going to put it right on my design. Okay, so I've got that. And I'm going to take this one and do the same. Just taking some blobs. I'm going to take my squeegees and I'm going to pull this across my silk screen again. Now, it doesn't matter up or down, left or right. And I'm going to be using that same knit technique I had used earlier, which was the ombre. Okay, so it's kind of like when you talk about having your hair ombre, same thing. It's going to go from one color to another with like a blending technique. So I'm scraping off any excess. I don't want those lines in there, but leaving a little bit on because I need some of that color. Okay, so again, just pulling my chalk paste across that silk screen. And then for this one, because I got a little bit on here, I don't want to put that back in my jar because I don't want to contaminate my other color, you guys. So I'm kind of wiping this off over there. And then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to blend these two colors together. So I'm just rubbing my finger to blend it together. Okay? That's all I'm doing. And it does come off of your finger, don't worry. Water takes it right off of there. Okay? And then I'm going to take this, again, top to bottom, left to right. And I'm going to remove my transfer to reveal that beautiful design. Oh, I think I like this one better, you guys. All right, look at that. Look how gorgeous that looks. I've got a little bit on here, so I'm just going to get a towel and wipe that right off. But what do you guys think? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that detailing. Look how great those colors blended together. Hey, Diane, welcome. So how beautiful would that be? Like, this would be great in a bathroom. This could definitely go in an entryway. This could go in your kitchen, in your bedroom. So this is a really nice piece that could really suit any different part of your home. And that's what I love about our transfers. So you can do something for your walls. You can create beautiful accessories. So you guys, if you love what you saw tonight, if this was something new, thank you guys. Thank you, Sandy. Right, Melissa? They look good together. I kind of like that combo. I liked the one earlier, but this one looks good too. So you guys, if you have any questions about our products, if you have any questions about the opportunity, please reach out to me. If for any reason you didn't find the link for the VIP group, just comment VIP below. And I'll make sure I'll get you that link. And if you're interested in the opportunity, just comment opportunity and I will definitely get you the link for my opportunity group. Let's see. So do you sell this kind of stuff like to make it? So Morgan, we sell transfers, which was the green transfer that you saw on top. We sell all of the products that you saw me use today, except for the chalkboard. We do sell chalkboards, but we sell a different style. This was just one that I actually make. Can you reuse the stencil? Absolutely. So our stencils, here, let me show you really quick. I have my transfer right here. Sorry. Right here in the water. So what I'm going to do is I've got my board eraser in here. Hey, Nancy. Hey, Kathy. I'll make sure I get you that link. I'm just cleaning this off right in the water. And then all I'm going to do is get a towel, get my towel. All right. So I'm going to get my towel. Here, I'm going to put this off to the side so I can put this right in your view so you can see. Okay, so I've got my towel. I took my transfer out of my water. Morgan, I actually, if you're looking to purchase products, my website is right there up on the screen for you. If you're interested more in the opportunity of being a designer like myself, just comment opportunity and I'll get you that information. So all I'm doing, you guys, is I'm taking a Clorox wipe. You can use Clorox or Lysol. and I'm wiping off my transfer. And this is kind of what reactivates the adhesive. Okay, I'm going to let this air dry, and then I can reuse this transfer anywhere from 8 to 15 times, depending on how well I care for it. And that's all I'm going to do is I'm going to let it air dry for like 10-15 minutes. I'm going to put it right back on this backer sheet. And you guys, like I had mentioned, you want to make sure you write on the back of your backer sheets so you know what side the transfer goes on. If for any reason you don't, just remember there is that shiny side, and that's the side that your transfer will go on. Okay? Now, the other thing real quick I want to tell you, I'm going to set this off here to the side, is this project, like I showed you in the beginning of the video, this project is semi-permanent, okay? So the chalk paste goes on wet, and then it's going to dry. And then, you know what, I could probably, let me just see. So now that it's dry, I can rub my hands. It's still a little wet. Like, let me get my hair dryer real quick. Let me dry this up a little bit because I want to show you. All right. Now I'm going to step off of here real quick because I want to grab something to show you guys. So if for any reason I wanted to make this design permanent, okay, so at this point my design is dry, I can rub my hands all over it, okay. If I want to make this design permanent, I have a Krylon sealer. You can get this at Michael's, you can get it at Walmart. This is the sealer that I use. I would spray this and let it dry, and then that makes my design permanent, okay. So that's what I use for that. All right, does anyone have any other questions I can answer for you? I would love to do that. Again, please make sure you share this video if you thought this was cool. Also, you guys, one thing about the opportunity I forgot to mention in the beginning of the video, which is super awesome, we are going to be launching in Canada really, really soon. So if you or if you know somebody that is interested in that, it is a huge opportunity, and I would love to share that with you. Okay. All right, you guys, well, I don't see any other questions. I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I know it's almost 10 o'clock at night, so I hope you love this live. I think this turned out really, really pretty. And again, just reach out to me if you have any questions. So have a great evening, and I will chalk with you soon. Bye.